Okay, guys, this is for dealers, for people who are potential dealers. I have a pretty complicated system set up here. I'm recording um, three different displays. What you see on the bottom is a 49-inch wide aspect ratio Samsung monitor, so you can see you have a video screen of me. I'm in a video call on a platform called FrameVR. And then I also have my assistant, Sasha, which is an AI agent that helps with the call and runs everything, can take notes and transcribe or translate things for us. And in this format, this is just like a Zoom or a Teams call, except I can just, the windows will quadrant up as we add more people, and I can scroll down and get to people I want to. I can also jump to another tab, the grid tab, and get any of the documentation that's been put up for the meeting or see the slides and the presentation here. The cool thing is this platform does it in full motion video. I'm going to go back to the webcams. And so this is a web browser based meeting platform that can replace your existing video platform. And it's going to be, it's a little bit different in how it works. These are open spaces or open buildings. And this is about virtualizing your physical facilities. It's not only just a video platform. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go ahead and get out of the regular video conference mode that we're all used to. We attach one of these to every one of our OneTouch and QNX rooms. So this comes with a OneTouch platform. You get this. And so I'm going to go ahead and click the regular mode, and here I am. I am in a three-dimensional office. I can come into this with a VR headset to get that headset experience. I can come into this with a browser, as I am now. I have a wide aspect gaming monitor I'm using, but I could just as easily use any one of any screen, any phone. Anything that has a browser allows you to come in here and be a part of these meetings. And so I've got in this room a whiteboard, I've got a browser over here, I've got a PDF we're all sharing. I can sit at the table. I can go to grab something full screen and zoom it in where I can look through it. I can also, again, I'm sitting here, I can talk to people, and it's within proximity. If I'm talking to the person next to me, the people across the table can kind of hear it, but it's just like they're in the room. We can talk lightly, and then they can't really hear until I speak up or go over to them. So this is just like a real space. It has that same dynamic of audio. And so I'm going to go ahead and get up and just walk you into the lobby here. So this is a virtual office for Cloudroom AV, which is our kind of mothership company that is our distributor for OneTouch and is the reseller partner for Frame. And so I'm walking around here. You can see all these meeting spaces. Each one of these is individual meeting spaces. This is a virtual space. We can put any virtual space we want in here, but these are templates that we can start with. That give you these vast office spaces that you can have up to 1,500 people come to this office and work. You can meet customers here. And the great thing is, it's just a URL. This URL right here takes me to this room. If I go across the way here, this room has a different website URL. Once we get them in there, I can lock the door. And so if you look up to my right, this is the OneTouch interface. OneTouch is what we run on a Windows computer to run our rooms. It's an AV system on Windows or Android. And basically, guess what? If you want to present, you hit the HDMI button. If you want to jump to your room, you hit a button over here to jump to the particular room I'm showing right there. And so we'd have a button that matches your virtual room on the actual system. You hit a button and you wind up in the room you see at the bottom monitor. And our OneTouch rooms support, typically the most rooms we go, the most monitors we go is normally 12 monitors, but we do surround video rooms where you have TVs kind of all around you. And we even do display walls and other affordable means of doing multiple monitors at the front where you can get really interesting aspect ratios and presentations. But OneTouch has AI built in, just like this does. As I go into my flat mode, I've got my AI agent here waiting to do some work for us. So I just wanted to show you guys briefly, we're looking for new dealers for this. If you're looking to maybe change or try something different than the traditional Crestron and Extron platforms, and you want to get something going that will make you unique, this AV on Windows computers is just better. I've been in this industry for 25 years. I can tell you for sure this is going to take off like wildfire. We won't be the first company or the last company doing this. These AV systems, especially with the introduction of AI, we plan to have it where our system, a judge could type in a prompt what they want a button to do, and the system will program a button they can put on the panel that will launch their call, go to dot cam, and turn the mics to half. I mean, that's the kind of stuff I'm talking about here. So, all right, we are excited about this platform. We're excited a lot about FrameVR and our relationship with those guys. This also ties into the whole Panopto platform as well. OneTouch is native with Panopto. You don't have to go buy an encoder. You can use our AV system, has the encoder built in. So it gives you a lot of advantages, and it's going to be 30 to 40% less than traditional AV. But all right, we appreciate your time. Thanks for checking out FrameVR, and give us a call if you want to see what we're talking about here. I think this will really get some good traction with your customers, and I think colleges are going to wind up deploying something like this, if not this platform, across the board. I think this will be huge at all the big colleges, and it already is at several that I won't mention right now, but there's several schools that have got this already done, already have virtual buildings in here. So please come check it out. Go to 323link.com. You can go to cloudroomav.com, or you can reach out to us directly. We look forward to talking to you. Thanks.